Tatali kita eh.
Yo, what's up guys? It's me again. And remember when I said, yo BRB, I'm gonna be back. Wait. Guys, I'm back. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. So, you guys remember when I said that I'm going to make a Melon Playground or Melon Sandbox video? Melon Sandbox video. I didn't lie about it. Hold on. There. You see, when you look at my gosh, this on my channel, this is the name Cookie Loves to Play, not capital. Here's my channel, and when you look up at it, you'll see there's only like 10 videos but 12 subscribers. When you go to my post, you'll see this. We'll be playing tomorrow Melon Sandbox. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's what I meant about Melon Sandbox. That's right. Now here is the result. This one. Yeah. We will be playing this one. Yeah. I'm kind of busy. If the legendary ninja said to one of my comments that he already want to collab with me, I may or may not post a video about it. Perhaps. Sorry if the loading screen is pretty black. Oh, there. Guys, comment down below if you want me to play. If you want me to play the part 2 of part 2 of Supreme Village. If you want me to. I'm kind of a rich guy. What? Hey, look at what you're looking back. Let's see what's new here. Standard armor pick. Oh, new one. New. I am unstoppable. Abos Feliz Bingo Day. I don't know how to use this one. Guys, comment down below if you know how to use this one that is floating, that is little. If you know how to use this one, comment down below so I can know. After this video, I'm gonna be making another one. Frick. Let's see if I ammo mix. What? And what? Where is it? Oh shit. Oh dang. Bro, calm down. Kalma. Kumalma ka prehe. Tatay. Comment down below if you know how to use this one. Because I don't know how to use this one. I have no idea. So I guess that's it for today's video. So bye bye. As always, peace out.